Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to convert various types of data from Google Earth to shapefile and use them in ArcGIS. In order to do this, I'm gonna work with 3 different vector files: polygon, polyline, and also points. In order to do this, I'm gonna use add polygon in Google Earth, as you can see here. Okay, I target a specific feature, for example this small pool. We have some tools here that we can describe our color for lines and also its width or the area. It should be filled or outlined or whatever you can do here, and you will have some changes. Okay, let's start. Try to digitize the area as much as precise by zooming out and in. You can do it appropriately. Okay, as you can see, I digitized my targeted feature. Then I'm gonna give it a name, for example pool, and click on OK. As you can see, it's added here. And also, if I want to edit it, I can come to properties and do the same procedure that we had before. Okay, the next data would be line, polyline, sorry. For example, I'm gonna digitize this road. In order to do this, I can use patch. For example, I can say my start from here until here, and again I can, let's say, give it a name. It's gonna be road. Okay, as you can see, it's also added here. The other one is point. I'm gonna create some points using add place mark. For example, I want to have this building here. Okay, name it as a building. Again, okay, you can add more points or polygon and also polyline, but the purpose is the other things. In order to change their format to shapefile, first of all, I'm gonna come here to my data, then right click, and I have to save my place as we can see here, KMZ and KML. It doesn't matter, but you can choose one of them. And I'm gonna create a folder in the name of features. Okay, and save my data here. The same procedure for road and for building. Save place as building. Okay, we're done in Google Earth. Now I want to back to my ArcGIS software in order to go further for my purpose. Okay, I have to open my ArcGIS software. In order to call my saved data in KML format, I can go to search. From here I can look for KML to layer, as you can see here. Okay, If I click on the tools, we can see here it's saying that input your KML file. In order to do this, I'm gonna go to the folder I created before. Then one by one I have to convert this data to shapefile. For the first one, I'm gonna use pull. If you want, you can give it an output locations, and also its name you can change. Okay, if I click on the OK, okay, we can see our polygon that we created in Google Earth. Now I have to convert it to shapefile. In order to do this, I have to export it, the data frame. Again, I have to define a specific folder. For example, inside that one I can say shp, the name, again pool. This one is the format of shapefile. Okay, it's saying that do you want to add this layer in your legend? Yeah, I'm saying yes. Then I'm removing this one. As you can see, this is the created and converted shapefile from Google Earth to my ArcGIS software. The other one is road. Again, I'm gonna back to my folder, click on road. Again, the same procedure. It's gonna take a while. After that, I'm gonna export this data. Okay, I have to name it as a road, and again, okay, as you can see, it's added here. For the final one, I'm gonna back and do this one for point. That is my buildings. Okay, it's converted. I have to export it from data frame. Again, I'm saying that it's a building. Okay, I can remove these. Also, previous one. If I zoom out, I can see 3 different features that I created in Google Earth. Then I converted to shapefile in ArcGIS software. Thank you very much for your attention.